Hi guys, this is my Flatiron final project. It's about React, Redux, and Rails API backend. So yeah, it's all in one file. So the front end is right here is the React and Redux. The backend right over here is the Rails. So in order to run this, we're gonna need to run two terminals, the one for front end, the one for backend. I'm gonna start off the backend. Rails, and then I need to change the port to 33 because you don't want to run them at the same terminal. It's going to cause problems. And then for the front end, let's do npm start. It looks like the backend is already working. Let's see localhost 3030. There you go, the API is working. So let's the other one's okay. So it's done loading. Let's go to localhost 3000. And yeah, this is my app. So the front end is React, and where do you go? So it's also getting data from CoinGecko API. So all these data right here, all these cryptocurrencies are generated by the API. These are the trending searches according to CoinGecko. If you go to CoinGecko.com, it's weird because you can't find it here. And if you go to their API, they provide it, but like on their app, can't really find the trending searches. So I thought that was a good, helpful information. You can click on each one of these and it's going to pull additional data from the API. So this is, when you click that, it's actually fetching like two fetch requests to get the price, and then to get these chart going are actually different data as well. This chart is actually very interactive. You do 1 year, you'll see the data of Bitcoin from going 1 year, and all of its data. As you can see, 2 years ago the all-time high was around $20,000, and now it's just shoot up to like 33. If I clicked outside and then it went back to the front page. These are a bunch of coins that I have no idea, so let's take a look at one. Let's track. Okay, let's tell me the price. It looks like it's a pump, and it's a U. How about Ethereum? It's $900 right now. Again, you can do year to date, and it's only January, so it's not going to give us much, but 1 year, yep, everything's just pumping. The market's just pumping like crazy. Oh yeah, and I also did this. You can click on, these are auto generated by the API. So if you click on Twitter, it'll direct you to Ethereum Twitter. It goes for every coin. Like for example, this coin ramp, I have no idea who that is, and they have their Twitter. So if I click on it, I'll go to Twitter. They also have a website. Do that. There you go. And descriptions, and again, all these data are fetched separately. You can also search for cryptos. There's like thousands of them. And there's some ridiculous cryptos right now, like this pickle, I think. And you can click on it. What else is the funny on this? I think there is pasta. Let's see. This is a totally pump and dump. There's Monero. There you go. There's like 3 kinds of them. Some of them have the same name. So like if you type BTC, there's like so many bitcoins. So to delete all these, I programmed it so that if you click on search again, it's just gonna erase all that. Or if you click here on trending search, or if you click here, it's gonna delete all that. So let's try this. There you go. And also I made this component. It's really good because like this is from TradingView. So if you go to tradingview.com, you're not going to be able to have 2 charts simultaneously. They're gonna want you to pay for it to do that. Like I can only have like one TradingView window if I try to do another TradingView, for example. So yeah, there you go. I have to purchase it or something in order to have 2 windows at the same time. But with this app, I was able to do 2 windows at the same time. So with that in mind, why not make a bunch of windows? Like for example, Chimatsu, like a really popular guy, and yeah, if I click on that, it'll show me his the things that he's been talking about, like IPOE. This one just doubled 2 days ago. It merged with like SoFi, so it was $12, now it's $19. If you followed him, it's good advice, I guess. MP, he started talking about this for climate change. Virgin Galactic. So pretty much everything that he's been saying is like pumping. Good guy to follow. Also, if we go back to the page, it's client-side rendering, so it's not going to refresh. It's super quick. Look at that. Boom. nothing refresh over here. This kind of refreshes, but it's pulling from another database. So yeah, so these are just, I guess these are just portfolios. I just called them banks. I thought it was funnier. Global macro funds. So yeah, this is really good for tracking because now I can click on America and so the index for Dow and the S&P 500 for the Europe index, and then the Asia Pacific index. So you can see this is like really good for comparison. If you look at November, everything was dipping from America, right? Same with Europe, everything was just dipping. If you look at Asia though, boom, everything was just shooting up, skyrocketing compared to Europe and America. So I think these are really good insights. 10x baggers, Wall Street bets, ridiculous. Everything that they're talking about is just, oh my god, Tesla, Palantir. Yeah, and these are interactive, by the way. Maybe I should show you. You can check, if you don't like candles, you can do just that. Or like, you can do some, what else can you do with this? So yeah, these are all very interactive. You can do them, you can add some, what do you call that? You can add some indicators in here. So this one is like, seems like it's oversold. It's gotta go down. So yeah, it's like paying for a trading view, but not really. What else can I do with this? Oh yeah, there's this page right here. If I click on shells, it's another page. It goes. So what this is so think of like Twitter, but instead of tweets, it's shells. I'm already logged in, so I'm gonna log out. If I'm not logged in, I can't post any kind of comments. So these are just test comments. I was just testing my database. It's like, yeah, but finally worked. So if I log in, this is the login process. As you can tell on my backend server, it's there you go. It started at get auth Twitter. Then let me log in. I sign in. Boom. The server verified who I was, and it got my info. And now it's saying, "Hello, Pancho. My name is over there." And if I go back to shells, there you go. I can now there's this input field now that I can say some comments or whatnot. What should I say? Looks like markets are going down this week. If I click this, the way I programmed it is that it's going to go to the database. So you'll see this Rails update, and it's going to wait 1.5 seconds, and then it's going to refresh, and then my comment's going to appear here. So let's try it. I'm going to click summon shell. See that? It went into the database, and then boom. Looks like markets are going down. It got re-updated, and then on the back end it's right here. There you go. Looks like markets going down. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I think, at least to me, that's pretty cool. And what else? So yeah, this is just the start of it. I think I can put a bunch of other things on top of this application. It turned out pretty okay. Yeah, happy how it turned out, and yeah, I'm gonna keep on developing this website. And yeah, thanks for watching.